Entertainment News.
Ang Filipino-led film na Enjoy Your Stay nakatakda na ang international premiere sa 76 na Berlinale Film Festival sa Germany. Kaugnay niyan, makichika pa tayo mula sa Star FM Manila.
Isang karangalan para sa bumubuo ng Filipino-led film na Enjoy Your Stay ang nakatakdang international premiere nito sa 76th Berlinale Film Festival. Sa pangunguna ng Swiss director na si Dominic Locher at Filipino screenwriter na si Haneline Joy Alipio, ang Enjoy Your Stay ay isang social drama patungkol sa isang undocumented Filipina cleaner na napilitang pumasok sa human trafficking at handang gawin ang lahat upang hindi mawalan ng kustodya sa kanyang anak. Sa exclusive interview ng Star FM Manila sa direktor na si Dominic Locher at screenwriter na si Haneline Alipio, ibinahagi nito ang mga hindi nila malilimutang karanasan habang ginagawa ang pelikula. Gayon din ang kakaibang samahan sa naging kolaborasyon ng Swiss at mga Pilipino sa obrang ito.
What it's really about, not to lose the heart of the film of along all these years that we worked on it. I think the best moment was the first day of shooting when everybody was on the set and when it really happened after how many years of writing, how many drafts we wrote, and then finally all our Filipino crew, all our Filipino supporters, the talent, the extras, the people from the barangay who came to watch and support us. It was just such a moving moment and it was such a great experience to shoot in the Philippines.
Dream, but dreaming big, no matter how it may seem, impossible. Dream, because sometimes opportunities would come,
Ang Enjoy Your Stay ay pinagbibidahan ng Filipina actress na si Mercedes Cabral kasama sina Irma Adlawan, Donna Cariaga, Ana Luna, Hasmin Kilip at iba pa. Napili nga ang pelikula sa prestihiyosong Berlinale International Film Festival 2026, partikular na sa panorama section na magaganap sa Germany. Mula rito sa 102.7 Star FM Manila, ito si Star DJ Ivana Darna, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio, Bombo!